Welcome back to another video. Today we are shopping at Harbor Freight. We're looking at the icon boxes and icon tools. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more two reviews, two deals. As we can see, this box is really nice, really high quality. The drawers feel real solid. I'm just surprised how this it feels like a US General, but with more, the roller's more solid, the metal, thicker metal, pretty much like an upgraded US General feels.
This one here, power tool drawer.
And if you see that drawer there,
Yeah. So you can put all
as
your
they were telling me there,
tools right
yeah,
there.
the drills and the
And
impacts.
then you have the charging station right here. And it has two more up the top here also.
Nice. Now, this thing's a beast.
Yeah, it's pretty sharp. And then the cabinet is pretty cool. You can open that one up.
Yeah, this is really nice. I like the icon badging on every liner. Pretty much paid attention to all the detail, as you can see, all the detail on the drawers. Icon on the on the edge of the drawer there. Really nice drawers. And as you can see, it's kind of hard to pull out. I believe they are adjustable. And even if they're not adjustable, these are fairly new, so they're not used. You know, they'll get used, they'll get loosened up a little bit when you use them. But I believe they are adjustable. That is the catalog that they have. So if you ever want to look at something like this, you can always come to Harbor Freight and pick up one of these and take it home. But I just didn't decide to take it home because I can view it online. Why take a catalog if somebody else could take it that doesn't know? But yeah, the stainless steel inside, the shocks, the gas shocks there, everything's pretty good quality. You know, some of the other YouTubers were saying that those shocks are sticking out way too much. But then again, it's your preference, but they don't really take a lot of room. They take about maybe an inch and a half or so. So they're not really taking a lot. But yeah, like I said, they're real smooth. It's real smooth to close the door and open it. I like the deep drawer. Nice big deep drawer, so you can put all the top tools that you're going to be using, the ratchets and the sockets, and maybe even power tools. And those are the slimmer or shorter drawers. Gotta say, really nice. They did pay attention to all the detail. And that is the charging station right there, as you can see. Really nice, really detailed box right there with the power strips and all the plastics, everything very well built, especially, and I believe those plastics are adjustable up and down, so you can adjust it to different sizes of power tools, so you can all be on the level side there. You can level them. Yeah, I gotta say, I'm really impressed with this icon tools, especially these boxes. Really high quality. And you can even just by feeling it, when you grab the drawer up, going forward and back, you can even feel it. The drawer is heavier and thicker, so you can even feel that's the way they, the difference between a cheap box and a nice quality set of box. Anyways, these are the sets. These are the new icon tools. Well, the ones that they have available now. I'm pretty sure they're going to expand to a lot more than this. But yeah, they do come in a hard case, a plastic case, and they do come like in an organizer, so you can just pull it out of this plastic case and you can just put it into your toolbox and have it organized by size. So definitely they are looking into professional quality here, as most of the Snap-on and other good brands have the same type of organizers or liners. As you can see, they do have almost every size socket there, the regular sizes. They have shallow, they have deep. and the red and the black is just SAE and metric. So metric's gonna be your black ones, SAE is gonna be your red ones. So just to let you know, and they do have these ratchet and breaker bars in different configurations. They do have them with that soft grip there, the grip, the plastic grip, and they do have them just the bare metal. So just depending on what you like, or you know, your preference. Maybe you want a low profile one, something thinner. But yeah, I gotta say, really high quality. I didn't want to open any of these boxes. Yeah, if you want to come and look at this, maybe ask somebody if you can open up a box. But yeah, I gotta say, I gotta be picking up with some of these tools and try them out for myself. I know for a fact they should be coming out with the coupon. Well, they have to be coming out with the coupon. Even if they do come in with 10 or 15, even 20%, that'll be nice. Harbor Freight part to have a coupon for these really high quality tools. I gotta get myself one of these ratchets. Really nice. Yeah. So right now they have sockets and ratchets and breaker bars. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have, you know, the wrenches. They're gonna expand to the ratchet wrenches and the regular wrenches. Yeah, these, I gotta say, they're pretty impressive, and they're not on the cheaper side either. So, you know, they're not like Pittsburgh Pro. They're pretty high quality stuff here. But anyways, I just thought I just want to share this with you, what I saw at Harbor Freight. We're gonna be looking to see if we can pick up some of these and doing some reviews myself with my own money, obviously, because Harbor Freight's not gonna send me any of these. But yeah, I'll probably do some reviews on any of these and let you guys know how they work. And as you can see, one thing I noticed is that they don't skip any sizes. So they are lifetime guarantee, as it says in the box there, and they don't skip any sizes. That's one thing I liked about these sets. Anyways, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.